Hey everybody, how's it going? So it's been a while since I've talked to you guys even about my Jeep or gone on any big trails or anything like that, but we're sitting here at home getting ready to get some things done to the Jeep. So a couple weeks ago we were out in Havasu and we're able to get a Roam tent for the back of the Gladiator. And we just picked up a half rack from EVO Manufacturing in Long Beach. And we are getting ready to have it powder coated. So I'm super excited. If you guys haven't seen these things, I'm sure all of you have. They're all the rage right now. I can't wait to get mine on and actually go camping. We used to have a 37-footer, toy hauler and stuff, and with storage and just not being able to get to the places that we wanted to be, right? Not being able to take a big trailer out into the middle of nowhere next to a waterfall or something like that. So we're super excited to get this Roam tent up on the Gladiator and get out and do some new adventures. So we'll definitely take you guys on that. But let me show you what we got going on over here. We're getting ready to get everything set up to go to the powder coaters. So we've got these items here from EVO Manufacturing. We just picked them up and we are just checking them out, making sure we have everything before we set them out to the powder coating place. And this is that in the raw, you guys. But I'm super excited how this is going to turn out. Thanks to EVO Manufacturing and the Wades over there for hooking us up with a great deal on this half rack. Okay, and then these are my rock sliders. Yes, they look a little haggard, okay, because apparently they weren't powder coated on the inside. But as the story goes, we bought these on Facebook Marketplace. According to the seller, these were on production for the Fast and Furious with the Jeep Gladiator that they used for that one movie. I don't know which number it was because I don't remember right now, but again, keeping to the EVO family, that's what these are. So we are going to get them done right and then get them put on our little Gladiator. Hey guys, so here we are today at High Tech Coatings in Santa Ana, just dropping off the rock sliders and my half rack for the back of the Gladiator. And also something else that I forgot to mention is we're getting some inner fenders done as well. So we're dropping that all off today. They'll have it done for us in a couple of days. So we're going on vacation and then we'll be back to pick those up. How's it going? Okay, so we are back today. Maximus just got a detail this morning. He's looking really good. And we are getting ready to put on the half rack for the back of the Gladiator. And maybe we will get to the rock sliders that we got as well. We're just setting up right now. My husband, who's super anal with all the little things, thank goodness, because I am not. I'd be like, what's this screw for? Is putting everything out for me so that we could get everything on effectively and quickly and see what this looks like. Let me show you guys a couple of the things that we've got going on and then we will get to work. Okay, so we got our little easy up and table set up here. Here is our half rack and how it came after being powder coated at High Tech Coatings in Santa Ana. So we are just gonna open this up and get going. side on. Obviously this is a 2-person job. It's hot out here, so I had to put a hat on, but we're gonna get that second side up before. From this angle because it was really hard to show you guys what we were trying to do getting these bolts in here. So you have to put 3 bolts in these areas. Let me show you on this side. So we have the top one here that we're putting in, bolts and washers, the top and the bottom. Can you see it? There it is. One on the side here and another one on the back side. So 3 bolts, washers that you're putting in to connect these 2 together. Okay, you guys, so that was pretty funny. I was putting on the last couple of nuts and bolts on there. I'm telling you, it's not easy if you're not used to doing this. My husband's used to working with gloves, and I had to take my gloves off and do it to try to get in there and do these things. But it is up, and we're just gonna tighten everything up right now and see if we have time to put on the rock sliders next.